What if I told you there's a company paying people almost $4,000 a week, not a month, a week, to work on AI, and you don't need a PhD, you don't need years of experience, and you don't even need to already work in tech? This is real. It's called the Anthropic Fellows Program, and today I'm breaking down exactly what it is, how much it pays, who qualifies, and how you can apply, because the next cohort deadline is closing fast. Stay to the end, because I'm also going to tell you the one requirement that could disqualify you instantly. So don't waste your time applying if you don't meet it. Let's get into it. If you don't already know, Anthropic is one of the biggest AI companies in the world. They are the team behind Claude, one of the top AI models, competing with ChatGPT. This is a serious, well-funded company, and every year they run something called the Fellows Program. This isn't some random online course or AI side hustle. This is an actual paid research fellowship funded directly by Anthropic, where you work alongside real AI researchers on real projects, and the numbers behind this program are honestly wild. So let's talk money first, because I know that's why you clicked. Here's what fellows are getting paid: a weekly stipend of $3,850 US. On top of that, Anthropic gives each fellow around $15,000 a month in compute funding, basically money to run their research, plus additional research expenses covered. Let that sink in. That's not a stipend to help you get by. That's a real income. Over a 4-month fellowship, someone could walk away having earned tens of thousands of dollars while building a portfolio and a network inside one of the top AI labs on the planet. And here's the part that should really get your attention. Over 40% of fellows from the first cohort were hired by Anthropic full-time after the program ended. This isn't just a paid gig. For a lot of people, it's a direct door into a full-time AI career. Now, before you get too excited, I need to tell you about the one requirement that trips people up. Don't skip this part. Anthropic requires full-time work authorization and physical presence in the US, UK, or Canada. They do not sponsor visas for this program. I'm sorry. So if you're watching this from Nigeria, Kenya, India, or anywhere outside those 3 countries, and you don't already have legal work authorization in the US, UK, or Canada, this specific program is not accessible to you right now, and I don't want to waste your time. But stick with me, because I'm going to tell you what you should be doing instead if that's you later in this video. So don't leave yet. If you're eligible, meaning you are a citizen, a permanent resident, or already hold a valid work authorization in the US, UK, or Canada, then this is genuinely one of the best paying, most credible AI opportunities online right now. Let's talk about what the work actually involves. This is a 4-month full-time fellowship where you conduct empirical AI safety research. That sounds intimidating, right? So let me break it down in plain English. You would be working on projects in areas like interpretability, basically figuring out why an AI model makes the decisions it makes; adversarial robustness, testing how AI models hold up against attempts to break or manipulate them; scalable oversight, helping figure out how humans can help keep AI systems in check as they get more powerful; AI security and model welfare, newer cutting-edge research areas. You will be mentored directly by Anthropic researchers the entire time. This isn't figure it out yourself, and here's a stat that shows you how legit this program is. Over 80% of fellows in earlier cohorts produced actual published research papers during their fellowship. That's the kind of credential that changes a resume completely. Now let's talk about who Anthropic is actually looking for, because it's probably not who you think. Here's the part that surprises people. Anthropic has said directly, and I'm going to be honest with you about this, we care much more about your ability to execute on research than credentials. That means you do not need a PhD. You do not need to already work at a top AI lab. You do not need years of official AI experience. What they are actually looking for is people who can think clearly, execute on a project, and produce real output. If you've been building AI skills on your own through prompting, through data annotation work, through self-directed learning, through platforms I've talked about on this channel, you already have more relevant exposure than you think. The application process has 3 stages. Number 1 is initial application and reference check. 2, technical assessment and interviews. 3, a research discussion. It's competitive, yes, but it is not kept behind a fancy degree. Applications are reviewed on a rolling basis, and cohorts run multiple times a year. Right now, there's a cohort with an application deadline closing July 26th. So if you're eligible and watching this soon after I post it, you need to move fast. I'll drop the application link in the description and pinned comment so you can go straight to the source and apply directly. I always want you to apply on the official page, never through some random reposted link. Now, if you've watched the eligibility section and realized, oh, I'm not in the US, UK or Canada, this isn't for me right now, don't close this tab, I've got you. Here's the thing people miss. Anthropic Fellows is the top of AI ladder. Nobody starts there. Most fellows already had some kind of hands-on AI experience before they applied. That's what they mean when they say they care about ability to execute, not credentials. So if you're not eligible right now, your move is to spend the next few months building that exact kind of proof. Concretely, that means 3 things. Number 1, get paid AI training and annotation work on your CV. Companies like Outlier, Invincible Technologies, and Data Annotation hire globally and they pay you to train and evaluate AI models. This is literally the same skill set Anthropic Fellows use day to day, just at an entry level. I've broken this down in full videos on this channel. 2, build a visible track record. Keep a simple log of what you've worked on, projects, platforms, even small freelance AI adjacent gigs. When immigration or sponsorship rules change, or when you do qualify for a program like this, you want a paper trail, not a blank CV. Watch for the rules to change. Eligibility requirements shift between cohorts. Some Anthropic programs and other AI labs fellowships have opened up remote or non-US, UK, Canada tracks before. Like my previous video, the one that opened up in Africa. Follow the official page, not just this video, so you catch it the moment it applies to you. So don't think of not eligible yet as locked out forever. Think of it as not eligible yet and go build the resume that makes you a yes next time. And if you have people in the US, UK or Canada, please share this video with them because they can benefit massively from this opportunity. So to recap, Anthropic is paying up to $3,850 a week for a 4-month AI research fellowship with a real path to full-time hire, but it requires work authorization in the US, UK or Canada, and the current cohort deadline is closing soon. If this video helped you or your family and friends, I need you to do these 3 things right now. 1, like this video. It tells YouTube to show this to more people who actually need it. 2, subscribe and hit the bell because I post new AI income and opportunity breakdowns every single week. 3, comment below and tell me, are you eligible for this one, or should I make a video specifically on entry-level AI gigs for your country? I read every single comment and your questions literally shape what I make next. I'll see you in the next video. Let's keep building.